Rihanna. And I feel like she has a unique tone then in terms of my team. Kasi parang walang pa masyadong balladeer na matataas ang boses sa team ko. So I feel like that's a good asset also. I'm super excited to to explore more sounds with Rihanna. And grabe may makikita mo yung kahit yung bigkas niya pala ng words, word per word sa song na yun, which is an iconic song. Makikita mo yung pagiging mature niya in terms of singing, her technique. Nandun yung dynamics, nandun yung control, nandun lahat And she has power, which is for me, very important when it comes to singing. And as well as how she knows how to play around with the textures. It doesn't matter if it's super high up or nasa low notes ka lang. And mas more of sarap lang yung dating ng songs. So, I'm really, really happy for this pick also. So yeah, good luck, Rihanna. Let's go.